control.
Need you to respond to the east side of the airfield.
In the storms we had earlier in the week to get down here to JBER. So he's
Officer and Staff Sergeant Story and our Staff Sergeant Santos for attempt to catch the abductees as they are patrolling. Enjoy the rest of your day at Arctic Thunder Open House.
now to show undaunted airship.